Chapter 33 Siege. Ravana was outraged. What the Prince of Ayodhya was able to achieve was unprecedented. The Demon King had long believed his base of Lanka, surrounded by the sea, made him invulnerable to any enemy attack. Now, Ram had arrived on Lanka's shores with an army of millions. Ravana dispatched senior advisors as spies to infiltrate the Vanara army and learn their secrets. But before they could gather any meaningful intelligence, they were apprehended by Vibhishan, Ravana's estranged brother, who was now a loyal ally of Ram. The spies were brought trembling before Ram. Expecting execution, they cowered before the prince. "There is no need for fear," said Ram. "I do not kill messengers. Observe all you need. Then return to your king with a message. Return Sita to me unharmed, and peace shall be restored. I have no desire for war." The mortified spies returned to Ravana and informed him of the fierce army devoted to Lord Ram, whose numbers seemed innumerable. "Give up the princess, my king. I beg you. If not, the war that is imminent will reduce Lanka to dust," advised the spies. But Ravana exploded in fury. "Cowards! I will never return Sita. The fiercest warriors of the three worlds stand with me. Let them come. I will crush them beneath my feet." Obsessed with breaking Sita's will, Ravana launched another cruel deception. He created an illusion, a severed head crafted to resemble Ram's, and presented it to Sita, claiming that her beloved had been killed by his assassin in the middle of the night. But Sita, undaunted, wept not for herself. "Then let me die," she cried. "If Ram no longer lives, I wish to follow him into the next world." Sita was heartbroken, but a Rakshasa guarding her, swayed by the purity and nobleness of the princess, assured Sita that Ram was still alive. Still hoping to avoid bloodshed, Ram sent Angad, the mighty son of Vali, as the final envoy of peace. Angad entered Ravana's court with regal defiance and delivered Ram's message. But Ravana, insulted by the boldness of a Vanara prince in his court, ordered Angad to be captured. Angad laughed. With a thunderous roar, he leapt free of the palace guards, shattering pillars and destroying sections of the royal court as he made his escape. With negotiations exhausted and the final insult delivered, Ram gave the command. His forces surrounded the golden city of Lanka. War was now inevitable. Thank you for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe. This will ensure that more people can find this resource. Click the notification button so that you can be the first to know about new uploads. And please do comment below. I'll do my best to reply to any questions. Thank you.